Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my channel. So I received some really happy mail from Jill Norwood, who you would know, who does Saturday Morning Makes, and she's here on YouTube, and she is a fabulous designer. So I aspire to be like her one day, if that ever happens. But anyways, Jill, you did not have to send me nothing. This is so friggin' sweet. So I have not opened anything other than the box. So we will take a look-see at the card first. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love her. Okay, hold on guys, and I'll show you. So she made this cute little envelope again for me. This flower market. And then on the inside, oh, I love it. She made me this Tiny Wings red lead paperworks, I think. So that's where she got this image. This background is gorgeous. It might be a Roll Me Ha, I'm not sure. And it says Tiny Wings. And then on the back, she did this little stamp that says all things grow with love. Thank you so much. I needed that boost. I'm really nervous about my surgery on Thursday. I hope that everyone keeps me in their prayers and good vibes, or whatever it is you do. And now we are going to open this. I'm so excited to see what's inside. Like a kid in a candy store. So you can definitely reuse this ribbon, which I love. Thank you, Jill. Okay, let's open the back up. Oh my goodness, what did she do? Huh? Okay, let's see. Oh, she made me a big old ribbon. Let me open this. If I can get it. I don't want to tear it. Sorry, guys. Okay, I got it. So, she sent me my own, looks like this material that was possibly tea dyed or coffee dyed. It is gorgeous. Let's see. Sorry, it's taking me a while. I'm doing this one-handed. I'm not supposed to be on my legs, on my leg. And it's making life very difficult, especially because I live on a two-story, I live on the second floor in an apartment complex. So that is definitely no fun. So yes, she sent me some of that beautiful made, I'm pretty sure she hand dyed this. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. And I'll also use all the pieces that you wrapped everything in. Oh, then she sent me this beautiful lace. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I wanted this one. So this one's called Gingham Gathered. Let me show you. Is it open? No. Let me see if I can get it open real quick, guys. At least on one side. You may not be able to. I'm not catching the grip. I'd rather show the paper than just show the back, but I can't get it off. Wait, is it going? Sorry guys, I'm working on it. This is so hard doing this one-handed. And this one's like tight. We don't want off. Thank you very much. Okay. So here we are. It's called Gingham Patterned, which is by, I believe, My Mind's Eye. So let's look at it. Well, you can look at partial of it, but single-sided. Oh no, it's not double-sided. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so up my alley. This is so pretty. Jill, thank you so, so much, hon. I absolutely love it. And if that wasn't enough, she got me the matching ephemera. Do you see the beehive? Oh my gosh. If y'all want me to do another video opening that, I will do it. And then she got me the matching enamel dots. Yay. And one more little goodie bag. Oh, I feel so special. I'm having a hard time again. There we go. Sorry guys, trying to get it out. Okay. Oh, no way. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's brand new. Oh. So this was made in 2003. This is what it says. F2 2000, NGB and Company. Look guys. Sunshine and bumblebees. I adore this. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, it's so cute, Jill. Thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart for everything. I appreciate you and your friendship. And I love you to death. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out Jill Norwood, or Jillian Norwood, and follow her. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I love Happy Mail. Okay, bye.